Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to detach the battery from the main body. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the battery while pressing the button. Once removed, set the old battery aside. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors on the vacuum. Slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. With the new battery in place, it's time to secure the vacuum. Use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws from the battery compartment. There are typically 2 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them to secure the battery later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery compartment cover. This is a good opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring that your vacuum remains in top condition. After cleaning, replace the battery compartment cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Now, it's time to test your new battery. Plug in your Dyson V8 and turn it on. If it powers up smoothly, congratulations. You've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Before concluding, let's recap the steps. Remove the old battery, clean the compartment, install the new battery, and secure everything back in place. If at any point you feel unsure, remember that we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions without any pressure. In summary, replacing the battery on your Dyson V8 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer professional help, we are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.